Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
My name is Lizelle Joy Bantilan. I'm 37 years old.
Okay. Why do you want to work as a domestic helper?
I wanted to provide my family and to provide the education of my child.
Okay. How are you qualified for this job?
I am very qualified at this job because I have already an experience.
Okay. May I know what is your educational level?
I am a college graduate, a 2-year course of office administration.
Have you worked abroad?
No, ma'am.
What is your recent working experience or your last job?
I am also a personal assistant, including taking care of their children, twins, and also doing household chores. I also doing car wash, cooking, and gardening.
Okay. Currently, are you still working?
No, ma'am.
Are you medically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any injury, any serious injury or illness?
No, ma'am.
Are you taking any medication or vitamins?
No, ma'am.
Is all your child normal delivery or C-section?
Cesarean, ma'am.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Do you smoke?
No, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
Occasionally, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dish?
Filipino food only, ma'am.
But are you willing to learn any other dish?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn, ma'am.
Okay. For your drinking alcohol, do you understand that here in Malaysia, once you start working, you cannot drink any alcohol?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Do you have any other special skills?
Yes, ma'am. I know how to cook and also ironing, laundry, and taking care of pets and anything else, ma'am. I can do.
Okay, so aside from all the housework, what do you like the most?
I also like to travel, ma'am.
No, aside from all the housework, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you like the most to do? Is it cooking, taking care of the kids, or cleaning the house?
Cleaning the house, ma'am, and cooking.
Do you have experience taking care of the baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose baby you taking care of?
Mine, ma'am.
Your own child.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have experience taking care of the elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose elderly you taking care of?
My grandmother, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with any race employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work where the employer, where the parent or parent-in-law or any relative stay together?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you aware that you have to do all the housework, including gardening and car washing?
Yes, ma'am.
How many kids do you have?
One.
Are you legally married?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you part of the LGBT?
No, ma'am.
When your baby was born, who take care of her?
I am, ma'am.
Who will take care of your child if you will work abroad?
My mother, my parents, ma'am. My mother and also my husband.
You are not allowed to use handphone during working hours. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
No friends and relatives can come in the employer's house. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
You strictly need to surrender your phone to your employer in the morning and they will return back to you once your work is done. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
If you misuse the hand phone policy, employer will confiscate your phone and you're only allowed to call 4 times in a month only. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Do you understand the rules and regulation of the hand phone policy?
Yes, ma'am.
You are not allowed to use makeup or wear sexy clothes. Do you agree and understand?
Yes, ma'am, I understand.
Do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency? Do you,
Pardon, ma'am?
do you pay any placement fee when you apply the job in the Philippine agency?
No, ma'am, no.
Do you have any allergy to food, like any seafoods or any medications?
No, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pets?
Snake maybe, ma'am.
How many, do you have any friends or relatives here in Malaysia?
No, ma'am.
How many years are you planning to work in Malaysia?
Uh, as long as my employer needs me, ma'am.
So after 2 years, if let's say your employer still want you, are you willing to renew?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you taken your vaccination and booster?
Yes, ma'am.
What dose?
Second dose?
What medicine? Sorry.
I
I-
forgot, but
Sorry, is it
Wyeth?
Pfizer, Sinovac?
Pfizer. Pfizer.
Pfizer.
Pfizer.
Have you infected by COVID or Omicron before?
Yes, ma'am. COVID.
Yes. COVID on what year?
2021.
2021. But right now, do you feel anything effect of the COVID?
No, ma'am. No.
Okay. Are you aware that you have a off day, but then you're not allowed to go out from the
Yes,
house? You
ma'am.
will rest inside the house.
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware of that.
Okay. Have you undergo any surgery?
Cesarean section, ma'am.
Sorry, in what year?
2010.
Okay. Do you have any sickness like high blood pressure, thyroid, asthma, or diabetes or anything?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Are you wearing eyeglasses?
Yes, ma'am.
May I know what is the great power of your eyes?
Left side is 120 and the right side is 150.
Okay. Do you have any problem in hearing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Have you met any accident before, like broken leg or hand or any metal in your body?
No, ma'am.
Do you understand and agree that we will upload your video recording in our website?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer is watching you right now, what you want to tell them?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Lizelle. Um, please choose me, and I am a responsible and I am a hardworking person. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay, Lizelle, if there's an employer wanted to interview you, we will inform you or we will inform the Philippine agency, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, ma'am.